What are you doing now?
Dinghy.
Why do you want it up?
Because I don't want to tow it.
Huh?
Because otherwise I'll have to tow it.
Yes, but we're just going to an anchorage, so we are gonna need it.
Yeah, but it's windy. And if I tow it in the wind, it might flip. So, just fair enough. You don't really do a hassle, but I just didn't want to flip it over.
Get that bottle, a plastic bottle. What is that? What is there?
It was the alcohol.
What is inside?
I don't know.
What's that black
I
shit?
don't know what it is. It was in it when I found it.
God. So is it safe to sit on this dinghy? It looks very greasy to me.
I'd see that. I don't know what that is. That's all sticky. I don't know what it is. It's all over the dinghy.
So it's not really safe to sit there then?
What do you mean safe to sit there?
Well, because it has ruined several of my...
I don't know what it is that's on it. I just don't know. I know it's difficult to get it off. Very difficult. I don't know where it came from. I don't know anything about it. I just know it shouldn't be there.
No.
I says when you wash it off with petrol and you don't get it rinsed properly, it just sticks again like this. See?
Well, why didn't we rinse it properly?
Because you've got to rinse it with petrol. As soon as you put water on it, it just dries
Okay.
and it sticks like that.
I think we just need to get a dinghy cleaning liquid. Maybe that chandlery there will have it.
Some kind of solvent to take.
Do you want to go to the chandlery and see what they got? This battle with the dinghy has been eternal, and it's not even good now to be folded because this will stick, it will glue together. We're never going to be able to open that again.
Yeah.
Why don't we just go to the chandlery and see what they've got there?
Okay, we'll take a walk up.